Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for lines in the ATM Milano application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the lines button, and as you can see here you will find all the metro and urban lines available, suburban as well, and radio bus, so you can search for them like in the search bar, or you can just scroll down, and if you're interested in any of them then just click on that, and you will see the line on the map as well as the stops. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.